Once upon a time, there was a city called Animal City,
where all animals lived in peace.
In the city, there were 3 great superheroes. A snake named Bluey, a cheetah named June, and a monkey called Money. He's very rich.
Oh no, Mr. I!
I'm going to take over your kingdom! Ha, ha, ha!
Oh no, we're not going to let you take over our kingdom! Hi-ya! Not a chance!
Fine, I won't take over, but this was not the last of me. The end.